This is Dr. Brauchla with In-State Spine and Joint, and Amelia is here today to help me show you what it's like to be adjusted from the top down. So if you want to go ahead and go all the way face down for me. All right, and go ahead and lift your head up tiny little bit. Relax, relax. Very nice. And stay right there for me. Same thing, lift your head up tiny little bit. Give it to me. Very nice. And deep breath in. And exhale. Out, 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 out. All right, and go ahead and go on your side facing me. All right, I'm gonna move you around a little bit here. Go ahead and take your head all the way to the top there. Thank you. And deep breath in. Exhale all the way. Out, out, out. Good. Other side for me. Move that shoulder back a little bit more. All right, that's where I want you. And deep breath in. Exhale. Out, out, out. Good. And just face up for me. Hip time. And just relax. Good. Other side. Same thing. Excellent. And you're in your feet. Good. Excellent. Go and hop on up. How'd it feel?
Wonderful.
Good.
Thank you.
Absolutely.